Hi everybody, welcome to another video. I'm finally back on Animal Jam. I wonder if anyone's missed it. I feel Minecraft so much. I need to stop being on it so much. But before we go and spend all my diamonds, I have 102. I'm getting this on camera so that I can remember it when I eventually spend them all. I don't know really what we're going to be doing except Clydesdale's game! I don't mean to go into that Sky King. Anyway, we are going into Cosmo's treehouse. Yeah. Anyway, the news is here. Oh, Clydesdale! Oh my god, they're so beautiful. I love them. But the one thing I hate about them is when you do the dance, they dab. They dab. Dab is against the rules. And if you don't know why I'm saying that, well, you've never watched Dan TDM before. So join the dab police today. Anyway, Clydesdale horses have arrived in Jamar. These powerful horses are especially talented at pulling large loads, and they're ready to lend a hoof to their fellow animals. Do you need help moving furniture into a new den? Be sure to give Clydesdale horses a new a warm welcome this winter season and become one today. We will get definitely one of those, but I'm never going to dance in them because, of course, they dab. Dab. No dabbing. The stone vanishes. Breaking news, the strange stone has disappeared from Alpha headquarters. The Alphas, Sir Gilbert and Liza, were the first to notice this absence, and were currently trying to find out what could have happened to it. It appears there have been no evidence of the phantoms having made it into the dab. The people who like dabs. That's who've taken that stone. So like, hey, Dan, blah blah blah. Everyone's already seen that. I've got it as well. I'm pretty sure I did a video on that. Adventures for all. The land of the portals of land and sea adventures have been open to all jammers. Now everyone can participate in the Alpha's quest to defend Jamar and test their strength against the phantom threat. Take this opportunity to get caught up on all the adventures all the adventures the Alphas have embarked on so far, and get ready for future challenges to come. Anyway, Alpha snow sculptures, breathtaking new snow sculptures of Jamar's Alphas are on their way, so keep your eyes peeled for their arrival. Visit Peck's art studio in Coral Canyons, or click above to see a new sketch jam featuring one of ADHQ's artists and Snowy Claw. Yay, Snowy Claw! And retail gift bonus thingies. We don't need to see that. And also top trumps. I like this. I think I have a Man Up Pony, one of those, or my sister has one of those anyway. So should we go get one of those? Let's see who's on. There's loads of people on right now. Probably they will. Let's see. Who has a Clydesdale? Just who has one? You have one? Who else? Does Tornado? No, they don't yet. Okay, anyway, let's go to the thingy here. No, I don't. Oh, well, look. If we're going, yeah. Look, the stone has mysteriously disappeared. Anyway, what do you think about that? Comment down below. Anyway, there might be a Minecraft video going up later if I Clydesdales! Whee! Should I call it something nice? Nice. I'm gonna call it Mythical Daisy Robot. Rose, because of Mythical Daisy Rose. Okay, let's get this Clydesdale. I'm so excited because I love Clydesdale super much. Super much. Super much. I got 92 now. 8 more diamonds to 100. I is a thingy. What the thing one of my buddies is just teleported to me. Anyway, all these people don't know that they're in videos right now. Beautiful. I wanna ask you, Animal Jam, why did you start off the colours like this? Because like blue. Because clearly they're not blue. They're not a blue colour. No, they're not. No. Yeah. I think we should go for like a brown colour and maybe like this. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe we could do white. No, that's so weird. Do the main like a dark brown. Do this like. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, those eyes though. Hopefully I can upload episode 4 of Minecraft. Sure, be people's buddies. It's probably, I don't know, why did I do that? We should probably keep a night, we should just, no pattern. Now for the items. Let's go look. Ow, I hit my finger. It hurts. No, it doesn't really. Anyway, yeah, I love flamingo. What does that mean? What do they mean by that? Let's go see if they got a new frame. Because I've been making masterpieces on Catty Cat Cat. Because I love making masterpieces on that. Because it's just so fun. And I'm getting good at it. So I'll probably, if you want to visit my dad, I'll put my username, like I'll put my username for this account and then my username for my spare account, Catty Cat Cat. So you can go and check out the den. Right. Is there? No. There isn't. But, no, I don't want to. Anyway, is there a new den? Let's see. Snowfort. No. Is it still, have we? No. That means that there's going to be new something or other. Hi, new Gemma. Anyway, I don't know what the secret item will be. What would it be? It probably is. Look, I want these plushies. Where are these plushies going to come out? Comment down below if you've seen these in dens before. I've seen this. You just gotta go around clicking things. It's kind of a bit weird, but that's what you have to do for this. So, yeah, that's fun. I just got an ice cream. Great. Well, I don't know if we're gonna find it anytime. Cass! What? Oh. I'm probably gonna come to my dad. I gotta send him a jamagram saying what? What? Okay. I'm gonna decorate this a little bit more. See if there's anything in here that's new. Not really. I'll go to the den. Anyway, this wasn't really like a proper update video because I haven't done everything in it. Like, I haven't done a load of all this stuff. I haven't bought this because I already got it, so it doesn't matter. This is super cute though. I want to get. Are you seeing this? So its hair goes up. Anyway, I'll go back into my main look. Hang on, let me pause this for a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. It was just one of my buddies trying to talk to me, and yeah, I'll just pause it for a second. Anyway, this wasn't really a pop-up update video. This was just me basically just buying an animal and talking about whatever happened. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and this won't probably take long to upload, so let's hope that so I can upload a Minecraft episode 4 video, because I have some big news. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's a surprise, so you'll hopefully have to wait until the video that comes out later on. And also, it may or may not go up later or technically tomorrow, because it snowed and it's really, like, I went out earlier to go to the shops and it was quite deep. Anyway, remember to like, comment and subscribe, share with your family and friends, and click that notification bell. Eva out.